Want to track smarter, train harder, and live healthier, all from your wrist? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. Introducing the Xiaomi Watch S4, a sleek and powerful smartwatch built for everyday fitness, health tracking, and seamless connectivity. With a bright display, premium design, and smart features that keep you on track, it delivers style, performance, and convenience in one refined package. What's in the box? Let's see what you get in the box. Inside the box, you'll find the Xiaomi Watch S4, including bezel and strap. Charging cradle, including the charging cable. Quick start guide, safety information, and warranty card. Technical specifications. The Xiaomi Watch S4 is crafted with a durable aluminum alloy case, stainless steel bezel, and reinforced protective glass for style and strength. Its 1.43-inch AMOLED display delivers 466 by 466 resolution with up to 1,500 nits of brightness, providing clear, vibrant visuals in any light. The 47.3mm watch weighs around 44.5 grams without the strap, making it lightweight and comfortable for all-day wear. Powered by Xiaomi's HyperOS, it's compatible with Android 8.0 Plus and iOS 14 Plus. It features a heart rate monitor with SpO₂, accelerometer, gyroscope, ambient light sensor, electronic compass, barometer, and hall sensor to track every movement and condition. For health, it monitors heart rate, SpO₂, sleep, stress, and supports over 150 workout modes. Built tough with 5 ATM water resistance, the 486 mAh battery lasts up to 15 days. Connectivity includes Bluetooth 5.3, built-in GNSS for GPS, Galileo, GLONASS, Beidou, and QZSS, plus NFC in supported regions. Audio is handled via a built-in speaker and dual microphones for Bluetooth calling. Choose from black, silver, or rainbow variants to suit your style. Product features. The Xiaomi Watch S4 combines a premium aluminum alloy case with a stainless steel bezel and reinforced protective glass, giving it a luxurious, durable look. Lightweight and ergonomic at just 44.5 grams, it sits comfortably on your wrist all day. With black, silver, and rainbow variants, it effortlessly matches any outfit or occasion. Stay on top of your wellness with heart rate, SpO₂, sleep, and stress monitoring. With support for over 150 workout modes, the S4 tracks everything from running and cycling to indoor training. It's more than a watch. It's a comprehensive health partner that adapts to your lifestyle. The watch keeps you connected with Bluetooth calling, built-in GNSS for precise GPS navigation, and NFC for quick contactless payments in supported regions. You can receive calls, track your location, and pay on the go without pulling out your phone. Designed for active lifestyles, the S4 offers 5 ATM water resistance, letting you wear it while swimming or in the rain. Its 486 mAh battery provides up to 15 days of usage, so you can focus on your day without constantly worrying about charging. Device layout and functions. Let's know your device layout. The Xiaomi Watch S4 features a front display screen for viewing information, a rotating crown for navigation, a speaker for audio output, and a power button for turning the watch on or off. On the back, the microphone allows for voice commands, the balance hole regulates internal pressure, and the barometer measures atmospheric pressure. The heart rate sensor tracks your pulse, and the contact points are used for charging and syncing. These components combine to deliver a functional and user-friendly experience. How to pair. To pair the Xiaomi Watch S4, start by powering on the watch, then install the MyFitness or Xiaomi Wear app on your Android or iOS device. Open the app, sign in or create a Xiaomi account, and tap the Add Device or Plus option. Select Watch and choose Xiaomi Watch S4 from the list. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on, then scan the QR code displayed on the watch using the app. Confirm the pairing request on both your phone and watch. Wait for the initial sync to complete and follow any on-screen steps to finish setup. Your watch is now ready to use. How to charge? Place the Xiaomi Watch S4 on its wireless charging dock, ensuring the back of the watch aligns correctly with the charger. Connect the dock to a power adapter, and the watch will automatically begin charging once the icon appears on the screen. How to reset your watch. Resetting the watch using the on-device settings menu. Open Settings on your Galaxy Watch Ultra. Scroll down and tap System. Tap Reset. Confirm by tapping Reset again. The watch will restart and return to factory settings. Reset using hardware buttons. Make sure the watch is powered off. Press and hold the power or home button until the Xiaomi logo appears. Release the button briefly, then press and hold again to enter recovery mode. Use the touch screen or side buttons to navigate to wipe data or factory reset. Confirm your choice. The watch will reset and reboot to factory settings. Resetting will erase all data, including apps, settings, and personal information. Make sure your watch is backed up via the Mi Fitness app before proceeding. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use only approved chargers. Keep it dry. Clean gently. Wear comfortably. Update regularly. Product comparison. Starting with materials and build, the Watch S4 features an aluminum alloy frame with a stainless steel bezel and reinforced protective glass, giving it a more rugged, premium feel. The Watch 2 also uses a metal build but stays noticeably lighter, making it more comfortable for all-day wear. In terms of display, both offer a 1.43-inch AMOLED screen with a crisp 466 by 466 resolution, but the S4 delivers up to 1,500 nits of brightness for far better outdoor visibility, while the Watch 2 maxes out around 600 nits, which is more suited to indoor use. Finally, looking at battery and performance, the Watch S4 runs on HyperOS 2 with a 486 mAh battery that lasts up to around 15 days. The Xiaomi Watch 2 uses Snapdragon W5 plus Gen 1 with Wear OS and a slightly larger 495 mAh battery, but its real-world endurance is much shorter due to the heavier operating system and app-rich ecosystem. Pros and cons. The Xiaomi Watch S4 packs a bright 1.43-inch AMOLED display, up to 15 days of battery, and advanced health and fitness tracking with heart rate, SpO₂, sleep, stress, and 150-plus workouts. It offers accurate GPS, durable aluminum alloy and stainless steel design, 5 ATM water resistance, and Bluetooth calling. However, it has a limited app ecosystem, no wireless charging, basic audio, and haptics, and some features depend on your smartphone. Heavy usage can drain the battery faster, but overall, it's a feature-rich smartwatch with excellent value for money. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.